Hi, and welcome to the new version of our Web Analyzer. Today I will guide you through some exciting new features that will enhance your user experience. So let's get started. At the top, you will notice two open tabs on the browser, one with the previous version and another one with the new version, so we can easily compare them. I'm going to load the same diagnostic package on the older version for a better comparison, so let's jump into the Web Analyzer and begin. On the dashboard, there are no changes in this version. The main focus on the update lies in the log filtering capabilities. So let's navigate to the logs. At the bottom, the new version starts with a clear filter builder, unlike the older version. So as you can see, by default, no filtering is applied. Instead, it just displays a Create Filter option to open the filter builder. And we go from there. The principle of usage is the same as before, so we can isolate any specific data and we can clear it afterwards. It's designed to be intuitive. The search bar at the top now behaves differently, replacing the old search feature with a more powerful and intuitive search tool. Initially, no default line is selected. When you type a term, it allows you to navigate the full list immediately, highlighting each result one by one. You can simply keep hitting the Enter key to jump to the next matching item or use the arrows for an easy way to move to the next or previous matching line, right next to the search form. Another highly useful feature that has been implemented is the severity filter. Now you can isolate each type without the need for manual searching. Additionally, you have the option to search based on category and code. This is particularly interesting as it speeds up the process with multiple filter selections or by using keywords. To make things easier, we have added another function to the search. Just below, you'll find the time frame selector, where you can define your criteria and choose the exact date using the user-friendly calendar. In summary, these new features provide an improved search experience, allowing you to find the information you need more quickly and making your overall experience more efficient. Now that you are familiar with these powerful new features, I encourage you to give them a try. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. So have a good day.